Meet the portable mini Perfume Atomizer, your fragrance's new travel buddy. Refillable, sleek, and compact. This atomizer fits perfectly in your pocket. 5 milliliter capacity. Enough to smell fabulous without overpacking your favorite scent. Pump-to-fill design makes refilling easier than squeezing ketchup from a packet. Rubber sealing ring keeps your perfume safe. No leaks, no evaporation drama. Transparent window shows liquid level, no surprise empty bottle heartbreaks. Universal nozzle compatibility. Works with most perfumes, no exclusive club here. Fine spray nozzle delivers mist so smooth, it's practically a spa for your nose. Available in 5 chic colors, pink, gold, black, silver, blue. Style never skips a beat. Perfect for travel, gym, or date night. Your scent stays sharp, you stay confident. Durable metallic design ensures this atomizer survives your wildest adventures. Portable, refillable, stylish. This atomizer is the MVP of fragrance on the go. Ever had your perfume bottle leak in your bag? Disaster, right? Picture this. You're at a party, but your fragrance vanished mid-dance. You rummage through your purse, hoping for a miracle. Nothing. Panic sets in. Suddenly, someone asks, "What happened to your signature scent?" Awkward silence. Now imagine pulling out a sleek, compact atomizer. Crisis averted instantly. This mini marvel refills easily, pumps directly, and seals tight, no leaks. Its metallic design screams style, and it fits snugly in your pocket. Need a quick spritz? The fine spray nozzle delivers perfection every time. With a visible liquid window, you'll never run out unexpectedly again. Plus, it comes in 5 chic colors, pink, gold, black, silver, blue. Meet your new travel buddy, the portable mini perfume atomizer bottle. Customer reviews, 4.3 out of 5 stars. No, one TikTok made me do it. I honestly didn't think of this idea. Very space-friendly, easy functionality. No issues so far.